Morning, sir. You called me?
Yeah, Rohan. So you're ready with your presentation, right?
Yes, sir. It's almost done. I'm working on the last 2-3 slides. It'll be done.
Okay. So we'll have a conference call today at 6 p.m. in the evening, and clients will be communicating from Lahore.
Lahore.
Yes, Lahore. क्यों? क्या हुआ? I mean, any problem?
Sir, our client is based in Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान हो या अफगानिस्तान, तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You just have to do your job, right?
Well, Afghanistan would have still been fine, sir.
What do you mean by that?
Sir, given the current circumstances, don't you think it might not be a great idea to take up this project?
Because the client is from Pakistan?
Yes, sir, and it's a very strong reason. I mean, look at the mood of the country right now. Our soldiers were killed in Uri attacks. People are angry.
And I am angry too. Rohan, even I am aware of what's happening. Our soldiers have been killed due to terrorism. But tell me one thing, how is all this supposed to be related to your profession?
It is related, sir. Especially when the defense minister of my client's country keeps threatening us to use nuclear weapons against us.
See, now you're deliberately mixing politics with your profession, just to prove your point, right?
Alright. We are working professionals and politics has got nothing to do with our profession, right? And sir, if I'm not wrong, some of our artists have also said that art is above politics. And similarly, some sportsmen will come along and say sports is above politics. So basically, everything and everyone is above politics. हमें तो बस हाथ ऊपर करके सब कुछ अपने सोल्जर्स के ऊपर छोड़ देना चाहिए, राइट? एंड लेट देम डील विद इट. उनका तो काम ही है ना. हमें तो बस फेसबुक के ऊपर स्टेटस अपडेट करना है कि वाओ, आवर सोल्जर्स आर सो ब्रेव, इंडियन आर्मी दिस एंड दैट.
Wait. Okay, boss. You get 10 on 10 for this sarcasm, okay? So please shush now. Now let's come back to the point. And if I ask you to work on this project, are you going to work on it or not?
So, with all due respect, I can't work on this project. I don't want to.
Look, if you don't want to work on this project, fine. I understand your sentiments. But tell me one thing. How are you going to help stop terrorism by not working on this project?
So, if I work on this project, we help them create a product which will eventually help them make money in the market. And so, honestly, at this point, I don't want to contribute even a single penny towards the economy of a country which is killing my fellow countrymen.
Rohan, for God's sake, you need to understand that our fight is against the terrorists and not against the people of Pakistan.
No, sir. To correct you, our fight is also against those people who are aiding in sheltering these terrorists. And these people know that चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, India will always maintain peace and cordial relations. इसलिए sir, I feel it's time to step up and cut off all ties with them.
You know, you're sounding like those people who want to ban Pakistani artists just because they didn't condemn the Uri attacks.
It's okay, sir. Honestly, I don't regret if I sound like that. And I didn't even expect Pakistani artists or other professionals to condemn Uri attacks. Simply because they are loyal towards their country. And they know that even if they had condemned the attacks, their own countrymen would have called them traitors. So, if they can be loyal, why can't we be?
So you mean to say that refusing to work on this project will prove your loyalty towards your country?
Yes, sir. And I know it probably sounds lame to you, but I really believe that we all should do our bit to isolate them, whether it's socially, professionally, or culturally.
So basically you're implying that even a common man of Pakistan should pay the price for what's happening?
So I'm just saying that at a time when our soldiers continue to pay a heavy price for cross-border terrorism, cultural exchange should be the last thing on anyone's mind.
Okay. Consider we succeed in isolating them completely. Then what? Do you think these terrorists really care? A terrorist doesn't look at anyone's caste, country or religion before making a move.
So, you just made my point. And you're right. A terrorist can kill anyone. और फिर भी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि लड़ाई सिर्फ सोल्जर्स की है. ऐसा क्यों सर?
I ask you one last time. Are you sure that you don't want to work in this project?
Sir, a no means no. ना सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं, अपने आप में ही एक पूरा वाक्य है. जैसे किसी तर्क स्पष्टीकरण.
Okay, wait, come on. That sounds so tacky.
I know, sir. I'm sorry. I just needed some occasion to say those famous lines.
Anyways, I'll ask Saurav to work on this project then.
Okay, sir. So, just a random thought. During India's freedom struggle, the most important phase was the non-cooperation movement, where we collectively decided to boycott British goods. I wonder how it would have been if people were against that movement. thinking that this fight for freedom is against the British government and not their goods. So let's boycott the government, but not the business. तब क्या होता है?
You get to claim up to 500% returns of what you've already invested. Ma'am, there are people in this world who love playing with death just to take a perfect selfie. We're just here to make sure you earn enough money out of it.